Final update. The next morning Melissa was still asleep when I left for work. I called my buddy Dave, who's a real estate attorney, and explained the situation. She's full of shit, Dave said immediately. In our state there's no common law marriage, and even if there was, you'd need to present yourselves as married for years, not just live together. As for property rights, unless her name is on the deed or mortgage or you had a written agreement about equity sharing, she has zero claim. What about the illegal eviction thing? I asked. That's more complicated, Dave admitted. She did establish legal tenancy when you lived together years ago, but that ended when she moved out. For this current stay, since you allowed her in as a guest and she hasn't been there for very long, hasn't paid rent, and doesn't have any utilities in her name, we can argue she's an unwanted guest rather than a tenant. So what's my fastest option here? You typically need to give proper notice for eviction, usually 30 days. But given the circumstances, we could file for an emergency removal on the grounds of misrepresentation and potentially harassment. It might take a few days to get the paperwork through though. Dave offered to start the process